Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai teman-teman, selamat datang lagi di channel aku ya. Kira-kira siapa nih yang udah bisa atau ngerti bahasa Inggris tapi masih salah cara pengucapannya? Yuk belajar lagi biar kita ngomongnya seperti native speaker. Ditonton ya videonya sampai selesai.
Massage. Thai massage is very popular nowadays. Message. I have sent you a message to inform you that I'm okay. Later. Don't forget to pick them up later. Letter. I have received letters once a month. Plant. Plants must be watered every day. Plan. What is your plan for today? Plane. The planes fly so fast. Plain. I like to wear the dress in plain color. Plate. My mom has bought a dozen of plates. Flat. Dad's reaction was so flat. Pain. My heart is so pain. Paint. That guy is painting my house. Pull. Pull the door for me, please. Full. The schedule is full today. Bad. I feel bad about that. Bed. What time you go to bed? Said. Mom said you have to follow the instructions. Sad. Why is she so sad?
Thank you guys udah nonton sampai selesai. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, like, dan tekan lonceng notifikasinya ya, biar kalian gak ketinggalan dengan pelajaran berikutnya. See you guys, bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.